How to buy Bitcoin on Gemini. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the middle button with two arrows to access the trading menu. From the options, select Buy Crypto. Choose Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You can also use the search bar to quickly find Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to purchase in either your fiat currency like USD, Euro, or GBP, or in Bitcoin itself. Review the current price and any applicable fees carefully before proceeding. Select your funding source, such as your Gemini fiat balance or linked bank account. Tap Preview Buy to review your order. Make sure all details are correct, including the amount, price, and funding source. Once you are ready, tap Buy Now to complete the purchase. The Bitcoin will be credited to your Gemini wallet immediately. Now you know how to buy Bitcoin on Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.